YouTube family. This is the Smiths again. You know, at Smiths we are, Smith Family TV. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, as well as Happy Father's Day. Anything I want to say in the back?
Happy Father's Day!
Yes, so happy Father's Day. We are going to do a little nature adventure today. You guys are going to roll with us, so please stay tuned. We got some great, amazing pictures and videos that you're going to see that God just designed this world amazingly.
So we're going to spend our Father's Day, and that's Happy Father's Day to all fathers. That's all fathers around the world. Happy Father's Day. By the time you all get this video, it'll probably be a day after, but hope you watch it and enjoy. We're going to enjoy nature on today, like one of our favorite things to do. So we're just going to enjoy the day.
We're going to stay hydrated, and we're going to be safe as well.
Yeah.
Right now we have a couple minutes of a drive, so once we get a little bit closer, we'll be showing y'all what our view looks like. Again, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe at Smiths We Are. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. See you soon. We're almost to our destination, guys. Looking to see, did you stop? No? It's very grown up, and there's a lot of wood in the area. Sure will have some. Very hilly up there.
Yeah, you can tell we're going down here.
Now we're probably seeing cars, some kind of road posts. Says keep right. This is very limited parking.
You can't park over here.
See why they parking that way. Restroom area. Might not consume because of water level. The hill, mountainside.
That's what they leave us with.
Right. I wish they would. Is that truck moving right there? Expert driver died. Okay. Good job, babe.
just a little bit.
All right, give us a second. We're gonna get out and we will be showing y'all some more.
All right, guys, we're here walking up. We finna enjoy this beautiful nature. Show you all where we going. We've been to the lake area. We just haven't been on this side.
Finally.
So we finna go and check this side out.
Where the water slide.
You'll see.
No one said it.
Just see what you're getting into.
That's what kids do.
Surprise the kids.
Yeah, they're thinking one thing, we ain't told them nothing.
All right. Surprise the kids.
What's that building?
Oh, I'm finna enjoy this.
That's a house.
Great
That's a
Father's
house.
Day.
Remember at the lake, the houses we
Oh,
sit?
yeah,
We're on the
they
other
go
side
there.
of the lake.
I remember.
You like our potty? Everybody's good?
Everybody good, right?
You do?
All right, guys. We're gonna stop for a quick restroom break. Good restroom break. We'll be back. All right, guys. We're finna hike it on in. No pet leashes, no glass container, no firearms, no alcohol beverage. So we're gonna follow the rules, guys. And we're going in. And our journey start. You all have a great day. Did y'all enjoy it? Yeah. All right, we on the way. Look right here. Oh.
Oh, that's
Come on, guys. We gotta check it out. Be careful. Okay. Very, very careful. Oh.
Okay, James. Put the shoes on. Okay.
I love it. I love it.
Okay.
I love it. Let you all see this view. I love it. We got some right here in the water there. So we're gonna go down. Now we got someone here, so we're gonna go down here. They say don't get in, guys, but we gotta check it out. We in nature. Come on, guys, I have left you all. I am ready. Be careful, okay? Be very careful. We don't have our life jackets, so we don't know how deep this is, so be very careful, all right?
And the pictures we saw,
Oh, jeez, yes. Look at that, guys. I love it. Check it out, guys. Beautiful. How you all doing? Oh, beautiful. Look. Wow. That is beautiful. Wow. You enjoying it? You having a great day out here?
Yeah.
All right. How you doing today, sir? All right. Glad to see you all. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. Whoa.
Are we swimming in that? Are we swimming in that?
No, just check it out. We're going to take you down to a shallow end. Look how it's coming out there. Go check it out, though. Don't just stand on the rocks. Right. Woo. Yes. Yes. Hey, be careful, booby. Let me show you. Yeah, go right here on the rocky area. Just stand right there. Don't go in, okay? Because look, it's moving water. So look, that current. You see how it's going? All right, so we have to pay attention. Just stand right here. Don't get caught by the water there. Go right here, baby. You got it. You got it. Right there, okay? Uh-huh. There you go. Y'all stand right here. Guys, this is amazing. They're gonna skip some rocks.
Put the shoes back on.
They're gonna skip some rocks. Oh, we got so much to see, guys. This is beautiful. I love it. I love it. Hey guys, we'll be back. I gotta get into the water for a second. All right, guys, we had to enjoy this spot for a minute. A little family time right there. Yes. So we're going to get some more of this for you all. Woo. love nature. How y'all like it? Yeah. The view is just beautiful. This place is huge. See how much ground we can cover today. Great job, guys. See what we have. Beautiful sight down there. All right, guys, just remember, we not all the way. We just got in the entrance. Now we leaving. We getting in. We're in the entrance now. We're in the entrance now. Like I say, beautiful. Give you all much footage as I can today. Beautiful. Tell about the edges. Now we can see it on the camera. Well, and we off, guys. See, there's plenty of people out here today enjoying this. Like I told you all, like, comment, and subscribe. Family channel. We do family things. Enjoy life. Nature. We're a nature family. So we'll have plenty of content. Remember, we own a business. My wife's in the Army. So it's a lot of work. But for you all, we do it. Fishing site down there. It is steep. So we don't have our life jackets today, guys. So we're going to keep going to a shallow part. Let kids play in the water.
Imagine someone trying to ride his back right down there. That's it.
Did we bring the little towel?
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
So we got a towel, though.
What we have over here. Aha.
Some type of living thing.
All right, there.
Leah. Princess Kalia.
You do it
Every video, you gonna do your princesses like that. What are your friend princesses gonna say? Well,
Y'all back. Y'all did not close your eyes if you saw that. Spicy.
Good dog.
well, we walking the trail, guys.
It looked like someone ate something spicy.
Something spicy.
Really? That's what we doing now? We examining this. That's what Talia's doing.
You have an input, DJ?
Guys, if you saw that, do not close your eyes if you saw that.
Close your ears if you heard what Princess Kalia said.
Right.
Wow. Another entrance. Another entrance down there.
No, I'm good. My phone not here. That sandwich. How long did you got? It's like good report. It smells like our house.
That smells good then. Well, that smells good then.
Like nature. Sugar, huh?
This one is called fresh air.
Say it again, Leah.
It's called fresh air.
You don't get that much, do you?
Not with Khalil when I'm talking.
Guys, there are nothing but jokes. Jokes, jokes, jokes. Ah, more water. It's beautiful. All right, we're gonna go in here and see what we have. Another trail there. We didn't make that one, but you see it.
The ground was a rock.
Another beautiful trail.
Go through that thing.
All right, well, let's go through it then, guys. You sure we go there or we turn right? Which one you want to go? All right. Wow, let's see what we have. All right. We got people fishing down there. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful. beautiful.
Oh, that's candy wrappers.
Wow. Are you catching anything down there, sir? Not yet. 18?
Oh, okay.
Wow. Well, you have a great day and keep that luck going. 18.
Fish.
18, yes.
Well, that's been for a few weeks.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Just go straight. Whatever that little shallow thing is, that's what we
All right, up. We're gonna go this side. How you all doing today? All right. Thank you. Which way you want to go? Happy Father's Day, sir. Yes, sir. All right. We're gonna take this trail.
Awesome.
Oh, we're going down the trail. Oh, beautiful.
Back in school, we're going on a treasure hunt. That's how I feel.
We're going on a treasure
We're
hunt.
going to catch a big one.
It's gonna be a big one, guys.
I remember that. Are you ready?
I have the keys. Do a check. See what all we have.
I got both phones.
I got the.
Beautiful.
We got the bag.
Want you all to see this?
No kids.
I have the keys.
I got the frisbee and the football.
You good, Princess Kalia? Wow. Hold on, Leah. Let's see, that takes us some more water. Huh? Where are we going? Which way you want to go? Look, guys. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Let's go this way. I see a waterfall. Wow. I found one. We might be able to get to it that way, so let's see. Waterfall, here we come. Be careful, baby. Remember, it could get a little steep, so we want to watch all areas, okay? This is what we're walking on, guys. Deep in the woods. Seeing what we can find in nature today. Hope you all enjoying. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we meet again. All right, look at this. Little trail there. Probably a new pathway for the water to go through. And we have now, well, if you go down, that's the water there, I'm pretty sure. We don't want to catch the water just yet. Let's see. Let's see what we have. I want to see one of the beautiful waterfalls they have. Oh, look right here, guys. Be careful. Look here. Wow. Just don't know how deep that is. So we're going to make sure before we get in. So come on. All right, let's keep going this way. Be careful now.
I never been on the bridge.
All right. This one is nice. Look at this. Wow. Look at this.
Whoa.
Now that's beautiful. That would be nice to get in right there.
That should be lazy.
Right there.
That should be
How you all doing? All right. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. How you like that, Leah?
Good.
You like that?
That should be called
Saran?
lazy.
DJ?
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. Fox and Roxy, you like that? Yes. Guys, I am enjoying my day. You hear me? One of the best Father Days by far. Look at that.
Y'all got to peek the shirt
Wow.
you got on.
Oh, they didn't get to see my shirt. No, it's been a busy day. Oh, sorry guys, y'all didn't get to see the shirt.
We got pictures.
But if we wanted to, we could get off right here and it's shallow. Huh?
Sand is slippery.
Okay, we're being careful. Coming up.
Wait for us right there, guys.
You guys gotta let your subscribers know how's it going.
Good.
Are you enjoying it? Better than good. They can't taste it. So you got to go into detail with them. All right, look. Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If he holler, let him Go.
Eeny, meeny, miny,
Mo. We going straight. That's the path. You don't trust the straight path? Well, all right. Well, let's go this way then. It looks bigger anyway. Travel more. Where?
I think that was the teepees.
Well, let's go check out the teepees, guys. Yes. Yes, let's see. Guys, we are walking. So if it gets shaky, we apologize. We really apologize. My wife got us off path. I think we should stay on path. No, I think we better just stay on path. Yeah. How is it back there, guys? How you all doing today? All right. Is it nice back here? All right. We on the way. Going on a treasure hunt. Going on a treasure hunt. Oh yeah. I hear water, so be careful. I hear water, Leah. Be careful. Oh yeah. How you doing, Teron?
Good.
It's exciting, huh?
I'm ready to get to some water.
Shallow water.
Shallow.
Where you can get a break. Just take your time and enjoy. Let's see what we never saw before. Going on a treasure hunt. You okay, Khalil? Oh, I think we found the water again, guys. It's down there. It's deep. Oh, let's see if I can get you a better view. It is deep. This is what we love. This is what we love. So we're going. Oh! I almost fell, guys. Right there. All right, be careful, baby. Can you see? All right, guys. Hope you all enjoying this. We are really enjoying it. Oh, we can go down there. Whew. Hello, how's everybody? All right. Let's keep going. I hear water, guys. I think we coming up. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, let's keep going. Let's keep going. It sounds even better. Are you ready?
Yes.
You lead the way. Lead the way. Teron, lead the way, guys. We going. Boom! It say don't teach your trash to swim. Yeah, that water is going fast, but we going to check it out.
Come on, guys. I was going to go for a minute. Hold on.
No, that's too deep, shallow. I mean deep right there for you. You know? So yeah, we gonna find. Just be careful. And let's go look right here. We gotta look right here. Good view. Woo! Wow. Guys, I believe they can handle this. You just can't fall off there. What do you think? Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Come on, guys. You okay, baby? You believe in it? Yeah. Come on. Let me show you. Alright, guys, this is what we have. You see how steep it is?
And it's good.
Yeah. But you see how it pushes you down? You'll keep on going, so you got to be careful. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you all. Guys, we'll be back. We love you all. I got to get down here and make sure we be safe with this. Everybody's going to be safe?
Yes.
All right. We'll be back.
So you see, guys,
Don't go nowhere.
Water time.
Let's walk right here and see. Check it out.
Oh, that's going to hit my belly.
Be careful, okay? Trying to start pushing right here, all right? You don't want to get caught in that turn. Yeah. Yeah. How you all doing? All right. Let's try to walk back a little bit. Oh yeah, that's it here. Come on, guys.
What's wrong, baby? Go ahead, Teron. Is it deeper, babe? Babe, is it deeper? Is it deeper?
Yeah, it's slippery. It's good. Yeah. Nice now. I gotta get a picture of that. Hold on, guys. Wait, no. You got my phone?
Yes, hold on. Okay, guys, we are in a totally different location now, as you see.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Too Swole is wet. Just about everybody wet. I put my feet in. It was nice, cool, clear water. You'll see some pictures as well. Right now, it's just the beautiful land of Texas that God has created for us to enjoy. This is actually very peaceful. It is not as hot as Texas normally is daily. So we do thank God for that. Makes Father's Day even better. Right now it's a long trail, as you see. It's a lot of rocks. But we had our cool off moment, so they're actually moving a little quicker than what they were, so that's a good thing too. How y'all feeling?
You look good.
Be very careful, them rocks.
Come here, I got an
feet.
adventure.
Oh, Mr. Too Swole got an adventure, guys. Sorry once again if it is rocky on the camera. We are actually walking in the rocks. So even though we have our stabilizer, every time you see nature, as per the other video, it was like that. We are on top of a hill. I'm sorry.
Life! We are in life!
We are.
Y'all is not gonna believe this.
This is very steep,
Look,
but if
very
you look
steep.
down below, let me zoom in a little bit.
Back up, baby. You be careful. No life jacket. Be careful. See it right there. That's good.
You can see the waves of the water. It's going actually pretty quick, and the wind is blowing now. So if you don't hear the audio, then that's because of the wind.
Alright, come on, guys. We're gonna go through right here.
Going through another trail.
Woo. Keep going. We're gonna find out the shallow spot and get back in some water.
Going on a treasure hunt.
Going on the trail.
The treasure is the water.
Wait, Mom, don't tell him.
Oh, sorry, y'all. Y'all know the treasure. It's not the water. It's a hint.
Alright, guys.
Be careful, Leah.
Can you handle it?
Yes.
All right, this is an extremely steep hill. We apologize again.
Pretty steep. Can we handle it?
Yes.
All right. Let me make sure, keep going straight. Let me make sure your camera, it is perfect. It is perfect. All right. They get a little steep in here. Be very careful. Camera lady, pay attention. We don't want our camera lady to fall. Be careful. Hey, pay attention. Look. See that? Yeah. There you go.
Remind you of a Lifetime movie, y'all.
Lifetime don't have nothing on this. Okay, guys, hold on. Let that go. Let me see it.
All right. You
What
guys,
we have.
you hear the water. You're just racing water. Gonna let Mr. T-Swole get ahead of us.
What we have. Y'all be kind of easy this way, so be careful walking over. All right, if we walk down, can you guys get back up?
Okay, guys, I'm going.
No, we don't want to go there. We're going to find a gate there. See that right there? See it? You need my help moving?
Yes, please.
All right. Careful. I'm going to take over the camera.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Take your time. Take your time. There you go. There you go. Woo! Beautiful. Beautiful. That's beautiful.
This is all part of Belton Lake, guys.
Yes.
Google it for yourself.
So we're going up now. We're going up. We're going up. You got it, baby? She got it. She got it. Look at that. There you go. Enjoy this. Everybody good? All right. Guys, this is by far one of the best Father's Days. It's good? All right. This is what we're walking up here, as you can see. Let's get it. Go see what we have. Teron said we found a good spot. Oh, we going. Oh, they blocked that off. Come on, let's go this way. We'll go find the water. This is beautiful. They are getting it in now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Insider. Oh yeah. Hey, that's back that way. Let's go this way.
Yeah, we ain't going up no more hills. Come on.
Yeah.
Straight.
No more hills?
Nah, we good.
No, we just. No, that's the beautiful hill.
That is very beautiful.
That is the beautiful hill. All right, well, we'll go down here. I'm trying to get back to some water. What about you guys?
Water ain't up the hill, it's down here. Water goes down. I'll take this one.
Very exciting day. Very exciting day. She's talking about a nap. It's Father's Day. We going all day. All day. All day. We're going to be in nature all day. Look where we are, guys. We deep into nature. We deep into nature. All right. Hey, we'll be back, guys.
All right, guys. We found a nice, beautiful water area.
Hey, how are you? Oh, enjoying it. Yes, sir. Enjoying nature, guys. That's what it's about. Enjoying God's creation. You have to take time, come out, and just enjoy yourself. We get caught up in our careers, and we never take time to enjoy ourselves. Focus. Unfocus sometimes. Get out here and come up with another game plan. Striving for greatness, hard work and dedication. But also, enjoy the creation. Enjoy the creation. This right here is like just a reset. Spending time with family, freeing the mind, at peace. What more can I ask for? It's just beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Take the time to enjoy yours.
Big kid.
Who don't like to skip rocks? That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you have to let that inner kid come out. It's okay. It's nice to be free.
Y'all be careful.
Be careful, guys. You all come out here and chill with Daddy. Take your time.
Be careful, Leah.
Hey, guys, we're gonna enjoy this. We gotta take some family time out. So I love you all. We'll catch you all when we're walking back to the car. We're gonna go ahead and put up the camera for right now and enjoy the kids. Y'all have a great one. We'll see you when we're back. Close out the video.
I'm a mermaid. I'm a water man.
All right, guys, we had to get a little work out the way. It's so beautiful. What more can we ask for? What more? Ah, beauty. Let's get, yeah, that wind do feel good. Yes, sir. Down the hill we go. Down the hill we go. Your feet saying, help me. Hey, which way, guys?
That's down here.
Downhill? Y'all think the water downhill?
Me and Khalil and you just said we hope the beachy area is down here.
Downhill, okay. Well, let's see. They say the beachy area. Is it a beachy area? Oh. Down. People in the woods. Well, not the only one out here. There's plenty in the woods. But we have several pathways we can go here. We just came from that way. From that way there. We can go either here or here where the kids are. Or we could go here. But they want to go here. They tapping out. I want to go so deep. Hey, I hear water.
Yeah.
Let's check it down. I believe it's going to be going down. You can't?
Because there's an ending.
Okay.
What's this?
Khalil say let's go this way. So her way is the right way, huh? We hear water. We following the water sound. Where's the water?
I can hear it.
We hear it so beautiful. Sound like a waterfall. It's over here somewhere. Not over there. Not back there. That is just beautiful, man.
Sounds like it goes here.
Let's go check it out then.
But down here.
We can go way up there.
Yeah, I see it. I can see
Wow! Whoa!
it. Oh.
All right, let's keep going this way. No, it don't end. We coming to it. It's got to be another way because I seen people on the other side there. We're just going to take a look and see where it's located. Let's look right here. Don't go down. Be careful. It's getting steep, okay? All right, this is what we're going to do. Let's go back down and follow a trail this way. That's going to lead us back to this water. How about that?
Okay.
Because we can go up, or we can follow that trail, or we could go here. But Khalil want to go to the water, correct? To the water? To the water?
Yes.
All right, so we know the stream is running. That's what? North? North. Yeah, it's running north. Let's go. We're going north.
We all come.
Let us know in the comments if we're going north. I say we're going north. We're going north. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. But technically, there's no wrong answer here because we just following the stream. Well, no, we're going south. That's where we're going. North. See? North this way. Am I correct? Let me get this view for this guy. These guys here. This is beautiful. Stay right there, guys.
Okay?
Got a dog trying to get fighting down there. Hey guys, it's real beautiful over there. If we just, it's steep though. Would y'all be able to get back up? But it is beautiful over there.
Yes.
But they got the dogs. Wait, it's look steep. There's no way. Let's find it going this way.
Which way? This way?
Yeah, because it was real steep going down, and they don't have on the proper gear to go down to get back up. They came in their swimming gear.
Next time we know tennis shoes regardless.
Yeah, you just take your tennis shoes off later, but it's okay. So we're gonna make it. We're gonna invest in our own life jackets because safety is a must. You always want to be safe out here in these woods. Woo, let's get it. It's beautiful. Hold tight, guys. Let's get a beautiful shot of this nature here. All right, we should be coming low, down on one. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're gonna go, where we go? Down this way and around. We're gonna check this out here and see what we're working with back here. I think it's very beautiful. Let me see, where's the water? We should be coming along the water pretty soon here, guys. We're gonna go back this way. So we're technically working our way back because I see we're going downhill. Downhill here. You guys okay back there?
Yes.
I think we wearing them out now, guys. So we're gonna find a good water spot. Instead of him enjoying nature, he ready for water. It's coming, guys. Slow down. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Don't rush it. Beautiful. Well, we know the water's gonna be down there, but we're gonna keep working this way. One of the best Father's Days ever. Nature. Hey guys, didn't we come up here? We did? All right,
And
so
we went middle.
we're working back to the bank then. We on the way. Is this what we did? Any, meeny, miny, mo? Are you sure we came this way? Oh, how are you, sir? All right, let's go. We going down now. You guys ready? Everybody be safe, okay? Oh, there goes some more water. So we're working our way back to the water, guys. Working our way back to the water. Watching everybody be safe. Being safe. Being safe. All right. Safety is key, guys. Safety is key. That's what we have as we walk along the bridge here. But the bridge is letting us know where we are and what we have. How you all guys doing today? All right. And look at this beautiful water here. Look, guys, we got to find a way to get down there. How we gonna get down there?
Yep.
You gonna jump? Go!
No.
She's gonna jump from here.
No,
All right,
I
stop,
can't.
Khalil. Be safe at all times, okay?
Yes.
Beautiful. Beautiful. All back there. Yes, yes. See, these deer should have plenty to eat out this way. Right, babe?
Yeah.
All right.
The one
Let's go on this side. Come on, guys.
It's somewhere close to the trail. You know our first area.
Wow, that's what a fun.
No, that's our first pool.
Wow, that is sweet. We gotta get there, guys. Wow. All right, well, that's where we going, guys. That is beautiful. Look, look. Be careful. Woo! Too high for me. Excuse us. Wow. Oh, here we go. Here go how you get down there. Look. I found it. We going this way. Wow. Guys.
Stairs. Watch out, sister.
You all got to be super careful, okay? Wow. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. You won't believe it. You won't believe it. 2.4. Wow. Now that is nice. Oh, we got to get over there. All right, we got to be safe, guys. Are you ready to do this?
Yes.
All right. They say put the camera up, but we going across. Oh no, they just showed us how to get across. Thank you all. Oh, we were finna go across here. Come on, right here, guys. We so excited. We walked right past it, guys. Right here. So excited and walked right past it. Whew. Check this out. Oh, this is the spot for today. This is beautiful. Wow. This is where it's, yeah.
This is where we're going to be swimming?
Yeah.
Woo.
Are you scared?
No.
Oh, so you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys, y'all see this?
Yes.
The kids finna go in. We gotta get some personal time if you don't mind. Okay, guys, y'all see this. We gotta be safe. We're gonna pay attention. We'll catch you all later. All right, guys, and we back. We out the water now. We're out the water. Mic is working good. Whew. Now, all the steps we took to get here, we gotta take them back. Then we gotta find our way out. But we had a great time. Did you all have a great time?
Yeah, DJ know how to get out.
That we just went right
DJ
there.
know how to get out? How is that? How does he know? But guys, it's beautiful, beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy it out there. It's nice. All right. Let's get this site here. Look at this down. We got it. So next time we will walk down there, guys. You gotta have a great day now. We will walk. Yes. That was beautiful. Oh, that is beautiful. Excuse me, guys. But this was wonderful. When I say wonderful, wonderful. Do we even know how far we went? Just enjoy it. Oh yeah? You sure? All right. They leading us back, guys. They are leading us back. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We remember this. Yeah, because we was locked right there. Okay. Guys, this was nice. When I say a Father's Day going down in history, Father's Day going down in history. It's going to be hard to outdo this one, baby. I love nature. Yeah. That's it. Just a new spot in nature. It'll do it. Get me something new every time. All right. You have a great day now. Yeah, we really enjoyed this. Guys, I wish I could have showed you all every second. Man, unbelievable. Well, we keep grinding. We will have a cameraman, someone to help us out recording. Because I'm telling you, man, It just be so much. You can't get it all. I try because we love you all. This is just unbelievable. Unbelievable. What?
Hey, Mr. Frog, welcome to the Smith family.
Smith Family TV.
Smith, you're
Lick your tongue out one time.
Frog noise.
Ribbit,
I
ribbit.
think he's dead.
No, he's chilling. He's chilling.
She said I think he's dead. Isn't he supposed to be
I told you to come out.
Well, how was it for you guys?
fun?
Okay, better than fun. Tell your subscribers. Come on now.
You guys have to come here.
Detail.
It's so fun. It's like it's silent if you just find the right place, and then you can hear everything. You can hear the birds, the trees,
Ring the
chickens. You can hear Toad. And then you just look and find animals. And then it's not just one way. It's not just a one-way path. It's everywhere.
Somebody stepped on the.
It's not just a one-way path. You can go left, right, or straight, up, down.
Left, right, or out of sight. Well, that was nice.
Guys, you have to hurry up because I'm burning.
Well,
I'm ready for some popsicles.
I think the popsicles help.
Hey, I could drink some juice.
it was beautiful.
It was.
It was beautiful.
So now it's time for us to go home and hydrate.
Well, we have some hydration in the car.
I'm ready for some popsicles, some juice, and some water.
Uh-huh.
And then, so and so on.
So and so on, huh? All right. Well, make sure you enjoy yourself. How you all doing? All right.
Comment down below.
You too now.
Comment down below.
Thank you. Thank you.
Comment down below if you were getting that tough water like we did. Some
Oh,
of that
yeah.
water was really low.
We not afraid.
It smells good out here.
It does. Better than
All right.
It smells like strawberry.
No, them dates. They got a date tree somewhere around here.
Smell it too, don't
Yeah.
you? It smells like Georgia.
Yeah, that's a
Smells
date
like
tree.
strawberries.
Oh, that's the beautiful area we went down when we first got here. And was that awesome?
Would you guys go down that steep hill?
We did.
How you all doing? All right. What you got to say, bud?
Would you guys go down that steep hill?
Oh, yeah.
I'm talking about to them. How many people?
How many people gonna go down that steep hill?
We sure will. Y'all see the beautiful hill. I'm saying it's just nice out here. Texas is beautiful. How you all doing? Happy Father's Day too, sir. All
You
right.
ain't gotta burn it.
Oh, come on.
Come on, guys.
It's so cool. And you knew I was going to do it. It's so cool.
Texas is just beautiful, guys.
I was going to do it.
Oh, you're in the side.
All right. Nice people. They let us pass.
Cut to the grass and you're gonna go around.
Yeah, let's cut. Let's cut through the grass.
Daddy,
Huh?
that's how you know. In Texas,
Watch out for the glass. Did they block us in?
That's how you know. When you go to Texas, there's gonna be some nice people.
Oh, yeah. Well, baby, we meet nice people everywhere we go. Because that's the energy we put out. We put out positive, friendly energy. So we enjoy. Let them run some more.
Guys, as we bring this video to an end,
Yes, it is coming to an end.
we had an amazing time and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Google, wherever you are, Google your nature trails because they're everywhere, guys. Don't just think they're here in Texas. But
Everywhere.
again, go like, comment, and subscribe at Smith's We Are Smith Family TV. Don't forget to share, share, share.